Good morning, y'all. I'm making some chocolate chip muffins this morning. That's what the kids requested for breakfast. So I decided to make mini ones, and I think I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs and maybe some bacon to go with them. We're having refried bean burritos for lunch today. Cece's putting the beans there. I've got some shredded mozzarella cheese right here. Jonah's over here making some salsa. Did y'all finish cleaning up the table?
Yeah.
We waited until the kids finished with school today for lunch, so we're a little bit later. It's almost 1. We usually eat lunch around, well, between 11:30 and 12:30. But they were almost done, so we went ahead and got finished today. Working on my meal plan for this week, y'all. So Friday was my grocery day. Manly got himself ready this morning. How y'all like it? Come over here and show us, Manny Mac.
I got quarters.
Yeah, he's got quarters. He's saving those for grocery day, right? For which machines? Walmart machines or Ingles machines?
Ingles.
Ingles.
Are the Ingles ones having slappy hands?
Yes, I think they are having slappy hands. And Fridays were my grocery day for several weeks. I forgot how it even got switched to Friday. Then when the snow came, I just went and got the stuff that we needed to get us through the snow, through the weekend. But since then, I've just been kind of pantry and freezer cooking, just using what we had here and making stuff with that. So now it's time to meal plan. So I've got some of my cookbooks out here, and I have this. This is from Passionate Penny Pincher. It's a menu planning made easy slow cooker series. Lori, I'm pretty sure her name is Lori. She sent this to me. I think it was the very first of the Passionate Penny Pincher planners that I got, the home planner. I think it was the first time I got one of those home planners. She sent me this slow cooker one and freezer meals one. I'll link her website down below, but I'll show y'all a little bit of this one. Let me find week 1 here. So this is like all planned out for you for 12 weeks. So week 1 would be chicken parmesan, tortellini soup, chicken enchiladas, barbecue ribs, breakfast casserole, and a chocolate lava cake. So 4 dinners, 1 breakfast, and a dessert for that week of slow cooker meals. And then it also comes with this card. It might be different now because like I said, this was 2 or 3 years ago, I think, when she sent me this. This just has it all for the whole 12 weeks. Just a menu of every week on one card.
I like to use the Smoky Mountain one.
You do?
Yeah.
He's getting him something to drink over there.
I'm bigger than this desk.
So let's see, what do we want to make, Manly? If I call something out that sounds good to you, tell me, okay? Ravioli lasagna, white chicken chili, chicken nachos, open-faced sirloin sandwiches, buffalo chicken chili, Italian beef sliders, French onion soup, chicken. Anything sounding good yet?
Can I say something that I want?
Yeah.
I like cinnamon rolls, actually.
Oh, okay.
Are there cinnamon rolls on there?
There might be cinnamon rolls somewhere, but either way, we'll add cinnamon rolls to the plan for this week, okay? Oh, look, there are cinnamon rolls right there on week 11. Look at that.
Okay.
Cinnamon
I want
rolls.
that.
Cinnamon rolls. Here we go. Oh, she even has a grocery list in here, y'all. For each week, the grocery list you need. I think we'll go with this taco lasagna one night. It's been a while since we made that. It's where you use tortillas instead of lasagna noodles. I got 2 new cookbooks when we were at Ollie's the other day. This breakfast one and this Amish cooking one right here.
Let's keep on looking for
Let's just
cinnamon
see.
rolls.
There they are.
Cinnamon rolls. Don't they need frosting?
They do. Oh, I saw a hash browns thing that I wanted to make in some book. I think it was this Amish book. You find something in that one and I'll look in this one. I'm pretty sure this is the one I saw the hash browns thing in. No, it wasn't this one. That's the one it was in. Can I borrow that one?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. They're called potato pancakes. So it's kind of like you fry the potatoes with some eggs and you beat the egg whites. We're gonna try that. We're gonna try these potato pancakes. Does that look good?
Look at this.
Yeah, that does look good. Well, we must be still in the mood for breakfast, Manny, because we're planning all the breakfasts, aren't we?
What I want for breakfast is cinnamon rolls. I never had those in a while.
Okay.
We're gonna add that to our list.
What is that? Looks like an egg McMuffin, kinda, with a tomato on it. I might. Yeah, you know, Jonah and Cece asked for those. We'll add those.
Yes! Now, I'll be right back. I'll tell them
Okay.
that we're also making egg McMuffin.
Okay.
Jonah got that from the top of a mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's the end of my book.
What about that haircut? You think today's the day for haircuts or maybe tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm thinking tomorrow too. Because tomorrow's Friday, right?
Yeah, that's what you do, haircuts.
Lunch is easy because most of the time everybody just finds whatever they want for lunch.
We're going to do cinnamon rolls.
Oh no, that was breakfast.
Breakfast, we're going to do cinnamon rolls.
I think we'll make this Parmesan baked cod, but I'll also get some grilled chicken because me and Cece don't really love fish, but Titus and the boys do. So we'll do that one night. Oh, and I'm gonna get some smoked sausage because we still haven't done the Hoppin' John. And I want to make that, but I really want to add smoked sausage to it. Instead of just having the black-eyed peas and rice, I want to have the smoked sausage in there. So I'll put that on there, and that's it. Boom, supper is planned. Tonight we're making snowfall pasta with this snowfall pasta. I'm just gonna make that, and we're gonna use some of this ragu chunky sauteed onion and garlic sauce. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese over the top. It's just me, Titus, and the little kids, Jonah, Manley, and Cece here tonight. And Titus wanted fish. We had some fish left in the freezer, so I've got that in the oven for him. So it'll just be me, Jonah, Cece, and Manley eating the pasta. What are y'all doing up there? Nice evening, ain't it? They're just sitting back there chatting, having a nice little evening chat.
Mama, put this in a safe spot.
Oh, okay, what is it?
$1.50.